Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. After me, we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So stick around and enjoy the ride. Now, what I'm going to do today is, I'm just going to have a bit of a fun day where I'm just going to use my finger as a skewer. So rather than using, you know, something like that or that, I'm just going to use my finger. Comes out with some crazy designs. So okie dokie, I'll put on some tunes, kick back, relax, and have some fun with me.
So night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood, it's in my blood. I keep on fighting.
Future's right in
much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, we keep going all night. Don't back down, the moment is now. Don't miss out, we're never turning around. Your light is young, we're out and free. If you can, try to catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. They'll never see us 'cause we're moving the night. We're always ready if they put up a fight. Outrun, outclimb, we'll outshine. You will run and think it's worth it to try. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, I think you've had enough. We're renegades. Yeah, we're renegades. We're renegades. Too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, let's keep going all night. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, think you've had enough, We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades.
Water rolling down the mountain, and running into the sea. Can't you feel my heartbeat? Steady as a drum, babe. Steady as a drum, babe. I'm calling to me. No, time moves slow. Feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go. So come a little closer, deep inside your mind, of the capsules and the times when you were free. You know, time moves slow. You feel it in your soul. Let me hear you go. Oh, I wanna feel the water rising, washes over me. I wanna run with the water, but it pulls me out to sea.
Alright guys, I'll do a flyover of that one. How much fun are they? Who'd have thought just doing a couple of swipes and then running your finger through it would do that? That's crazy fun. Definitely a bit of an addiction at the moment, that's for sure. You get some mad results. Alright, up next we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, So if you click on the name and the title of this video, it'll take you to the channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, use the play all list. It plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another, and you don't get lost. Alright guys, that's it from me. So have fun, take care, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.